Over the past decade, retail arbitrage has transformed from a hands-on hustle to a sophisticated AI-driven sourcing model. What began as a simple process of buying discounted products from local stores and flipping them online has evolved into a global data-powered ecosystem where artificial intelligence leads the way. In the early days, success in arbitrage depended on intuition, experience, and long hours in store aisles scanning barcodes. Sellers relied on gut instinct and basic tools to spot price differences between retail shelves and online marketplaces. It was slow, manual, and limited by geography. By the mid-2020s, everything changed. The rise of automation tools, real-time data analytics, and AI forecasting turned what used to take hours into minutes. Software could now scan thousands of product listings across marketplaces in seconds, compare pricing history, and flag profitable opportunities automatically. Arbitrage was no longer about being fast on your phone, it became about being smart with data. AI sourcing revolutionized the way sellers identify and act on market gaps. Instead of relying on chance, modern systems use predictive algorithms to determine future price trends, inventory cycles, and demand spikes. These tools can even analyze consumer sentiment, review patterns and social media trends to forecast what products will surge in popularity next month. The introduction of large language models like ChatGPT took this even further. Sellers can now prompt AI assistants to find categories with stable profit margins, generate lists of trending items, and even automate negotiation emails with suppliers. The entire sourcing process, once repetitive and time-consuming, is now streamlined, intelligent, and infinitely scalable. With AI handling research and analysis, human sellers can focus on higher-level strategy, building brands, negotiating with prep centers, or exploring cross-border opportunities. Global arbitrage is no longer restricted to a single region. It's a worldwide network of buyers and sellers connected by algorithms and APIs. Retail arbitrage has also become more sustainable and data compliant. AI helps ensure products meet brand policies, verify authenticity, and avoid counterfeit risk. Compliance tools automatically cross-check listings, while automation handles inventory labeling and logistics. The result? A business model that's faster, safer, and far more profitable than ever. Arbitrage in 2026 is not about flipping random deals, it's about building data-driven sourcing ecosystems powered by artificial intelligence. We've moved from barcode scanners to cloud servers, from manual effort to machine precision, and from solo hustlers to AI-augmented entrepreneurs. The future of retail arbitrage belongs to those who embrace these tools, think globally, and adapt to constant technological change. Welcome to the new era of AI-driven sourcing, where data is your compass and automation is your engine.